Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Dark Age of Camelot community. You're watching me on the Gaheris server. I have figured out what you use all 5 of the Butterotoe pieces for. Alright. There is a quest, alright, for the Halloween holiday called A Hallowed Lost. Now, this quest at this time is still active on Gaheris. It has not been updated yet and been removed. The trick-or-treat potions also still work. But as you can see, you find the pieces of the Butterotoe candy. Once you have all 5, combine them into a single piece and speak with Lenore. Lenore is located in the capital cities, and I'm going to run through this video and show you where she is at in each of the 3 capital cities. Okay, she is the Hallowed Queen. As you can see, I've already completed her quest. As on Gaheris, you can complete the quest for all 3 realms for a lot of the quests. Okay, next we're going to go to Camelot. Okay, now, in Camelot, she is located in the Church of Albion. As you can see, I've already completed hers. Alright, so our next step is going to be heading to Yordheim in Mid. Alright, which is the one I actually need to complete. Teleportation isn't always the easiest to do on Gaheris. Some teleporters only take you around Alb, Hib, or Mid, depending on which one. Some can take you to all 3. So just bear with me here. Now, in Yordheim, you got to travel a little bit to find Lenore, away from the King's Throne Room. The good news is Yordheim is relatively small in size compared to the other capital cities, so the travel isn't too long. Okay, Lenore is in the Temple of Aesir. And if anyone wonders why I'm pronouncing Yordheim with a Y, that's because the letter J wasn't actually added to the English alphabet until the 14th century AD, for those that did not know. Prior to J being in the English language, J's were pronounced with a Y. Okay, so now I have the piece together Butterotoe. Alright, so we finished the quest. Now this will give you the quest Ashes to Ashes. And you'll see she indicates that the cat may still be alive within the hallowed ruins. Alright. So you accept the quest. Now to activate the Hallowed Ruins, you've got to go to the chat box. It'll bring you to an instance dungeon. That is when you're not getting a connection error. Alright, now as far as this instance dungeon, there's only one enemy and don't fight him. Don't even waste your time, you can't kill him. What you're going to do is head off into this little side room here to this statue. Take your piece together Butterotoe. Right click on the statue. You will get a chat box that a black cat looks at you closely and purrs, quickly snatches the piece together Butterotoe candy from you and fades away, leaving behind a completed Butterotoe bar. Okay, now the Butterotoe bar cannot be traded to other players, cannot be sold to merchants. All right, it does summon a little black cat to follow you around. So that's pretty cool. I'm a cat person. I don't know if you guys out there are cat people, but let me go ahead and port out of here since I fell. And there's Ashes. Nifty little touch for Halloween. Have a little black cat that follows you around for 30 minutes. Which is pretty cool. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care.